Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to post your first ever thread to the Threads application using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer as well as an account for Threads. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock. Go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case. Click on this, wait for that to load. Once it is loaded, now let's go to either threads.net or we can use a shortcut that will take us directly to our Instagram account. On the bookmarks toolbar, Instagram. And then make sure that you are signed into the account. Now let's go to our Threads handle, and then make sure that you are signed into your Threads account. Now what we will do is click on the plus sign on the bottom right corner of the screen, or we can click on the left hand side navigation menu where we have the plus sign there too. It will open up a new thread prompt on screen. So let's just say this is my first thread. On the Threads application. Click on post. That is now posting to my account. That has now been posted. Click on view, and there we have it. This is my first thread on the Threads application, which is in hashtag, so that's a clickable link. Go back one, there we go. So we can now quit Safari. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science videos from the start until now.